This is how to check the settings on your phone. So go to your Tapestri app and open up your home screen. That's the little house down on the left-hand side. And that Stay Active radio button in the center there that says Stay Active for 30 days, that should be green. If that is not green, then I want you to check these other settings. Go to the actual settings on your iPhone. And then when you get inside settings, go down to privacy. That's the blue box with the white hand. And click on privacy. From there, you can see location services is on. So touch that so that we can move into that area. And you will see the green location service on. So then scroll down to the Tapestri app from there. They should be in alphabetical order. And you will see the blue or the purple little arrow, and it says always. Okay, so we want to go a step further. So let's go back to the settings on your phone. So we're going back out of here to the settings on your phone. And this time, instead of going into privacy, we're going straight down to the actual Tapestri app. And again, they should be in alphabetical order, so just slip right on down there to the Tapestri app and click on that. And it should say location always, allow tracking, all of those settings should be like that. So click on that location always, and you will come to this next screen. Make sure that always has the blue check mark and that precise location is green. How do you know this is working? First of all, I don't want you guys to drive yourselves crazy watching this thing all day long, because you're just going to drive yourself batty. I recommend that you check it, maybe once a day or once every couple of days. I check it every morning when I get up. I get my coffee and I check it. And this is where I go. So in the upper left-hand corner is those 3 bars. That's your menu bar. You click on that and go to then Payback History. Click on Payback History, and it will give you a listing of how much you've earned every day. Now you'll see some of mine. There's a couple in there that are $1. That's when I've done a survey. Not really into the surveys, but I do one once in a while just so I can kind of help people ask questions about how it works and stuff. But you can see I'm consistently earning between 20 and 25 cents a day. So if I get up and I check it when I've had coffee in the morning or having coffee in the morning and it's 0 for the day before, then I know that something's wrong, and I go in and check my settings and make sure that the green radio button is on and that we are good to go. But please, this is a set it and forget it money-making opportunity for you guys. I don't want you to drive yourselves crazy watching every single hour or whatever if there's another penny there. I want you to focus on the business. Spend your time thinking about the business and building the residual income opportunity that is here for you.